Right, we're going to have a look at doing some long division with algebra. So I want to divide this by x plus 3. So I've got 2x cubed and we're dividing by x plus 3. Right, the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out how many of them are in here. Or an easier way to think about it is, what do you times x by to get 2x cubed? So x times 2x squared should give me 2x cubed. Once you've done that, you have to times 2x squared by x and by 3 to see what we've got left. So we've got 2x cubed, 2x squared times 3 is 6x squared, and then if we take those away, it will tell us what we're left with. So what I'm left with, this should disappear if you've done it right, which it does. 5x squared take away 6x squared is minus x squared. Minus 9x take away nothing, minus 9x. Minus 18 take away nothing, minus 18. Right, so now I'm looking at the x again. What do I times x by so that I get this answer, minus x squared? And hopefully we can see that is minus x. Like we did last time, we need to times negative x by x and by 3. And we write it down again. Minus x times x, minus x squared. Minus x times 3 is minus 3x. And we need to take these away. These should disappear again. Minus 9 minus 3. So don't forget that will become a plus. Minus 9 plus 3 leaves me with minus 6x. And minus 18, take away nothing, minus 18. And then the last one is, again, what do you times x by to get minus 6x? Hopefully we can see it's minus 6. Minus 6 times x, minus 6x. Minus 6 times 3 is minus 18. Take these away again. Minus 6x minus minus 6x, 0. Minus 18 minus minus 18 is 0 again. So because we have no remainder, we have nothing left over, that means that it's a factor. So I've divided that by that and I've got this answer here. If it wasn't a factor, then I would have a number left here or an expression left here. Okay, so we're looking for 0 if it is a factor. If we want a remainder, whatever's left here is our remainder. So if we try one that's a little bit harder, only difficult because it's got a negative. So the same process again. So x minus 1, so x cubed plus 6x squared plus 5x minus 12 divided by x minus 1. So the same process again. We concentrate on this. What do you times x by to get x cubed? That's x squared. And then we times that by that and by that, and we write it underneath. X squared times x, x cubed. X squared times negative 1, negative 1x squared. And then we take those away. X cubed minus x cubed disappears. 6x squared, take away minus 1x squared, becomes 7x squared. This is still here because I've took nothing away from it. And then this process again. What do you times x by to get 7x squared? And that's positive 7x. Process again. 7x times x, 7x times minus 1. 7x times negative 1, negative 7x. Take those away. That should disappear. 5x minus minus 7x becomes 12x. We've still got a minus 12. What do you times x by to get 12x? That would be a positive 12. And again, 12 times x, 12 times negative 1, negative 12. Take these away. 12x take away 12x, 0. Minus 12 take away minus 12 becomes minus 12 plus 12, which is 0 again. So I've got my answer up here, x squared plus 7x plus 12.